This is a video chart presentation of Quantum Fuel System Technologies Worldwide. Quantum is a NASDAQ Global Market stock trading our ticker QTWW. Very nice base formed right here just above $2. Up day on Friday up 5.66%. 259,000 shares traded. That's pretty decent volume. So you've got the MACD trending back towards zero. PPO also trending back towards zero. ADX is in a very nice reversal position. All three components basically bunched together right around 20. But it looks like the steam with this overall downtrend could be slowing. Now let's look for the break of the positive DI up through the negative DI and the ADX. See if this ADX is going to start curling upward and potentially add some strength to a new trend. Kind of a make or break point for the MFIs. All three moving together. Looks like they're going to try and break through 50. I like the fact this base is being held in the accumulation distribution and trying to put itself together in a new uptrend. You see that's kind of reflected right here in the Chaikin money flow. Trending back towards zero, breaking back up into the green, someplace it hasn't spent a lot of time where buying pressure is overcoming selling pressure. CCI continuously making higher lows. Full Stow battling it out with 50. You can see we always talk about that being a tough spot for it. You want to see that momentum start to trend on the upper half of the indicator. So breaking through 50 once again is kind of a key point for this play. Trix tried once to come through the same area, trying again to come through that area. Want to see this trend continue? Get back up into here and develop some type of an upward channel. Very early on, this is showing signs of possible reversal. Similarly with other indicators, breaking to the upper half is kind of a critical component of any chart. And even though the 7 RSI has once in a while made a little bump through it, 14 and 21 have yet to make it through many months. So we'll be keeping an eye on that in the near future. See if those longer term RSIs are going to break to the upper half. Show some more strength of the momentum in this play. We can take a bottom support all the way down to $1.87. But I'd really have my eyes around $2. Basically held it, always closed above it. A potential dip down there, and you'd want to see it pull back up the same day, just like right through here, and right on this day it hit $1.91. I'd have my eye on $2 to make sure it closes above that level. That's a pretty good support for it. As far as resistance goes, there's a pretty decent area of resistance, all secondary. But if I had to pinpoint one spot, I'd put it right here around this $2.30 mark. The high was $2.33 on Friday. See, back in the day, it was actually a support level for it. It's just having a real difficult time getting any strength that moves above it. So that'd be a key spot I'd be looking at, see if it's going to break out of this channel it's been in all of October. 50-day moving average, of course, comes into play at 258. That's pretty substantial gains from where it is, closing at 224. Of course, it is dynamic. It is trending downward. It's going to continue to lower. And I'd expect to see that resistance level pick up right there around 250, intersecting the 50-day with a little bit of static resistance. If it can break through that spot, then start to make some higher lows, really increases the odds that QTWW has found a true bottom here around $2 and potentially going to try and trend upward from there. Looking down the road, the next real strong area of resistance, there's a little bit right there at $3 for sure, but definitely going to get pretty stout up here around $3.36. Good area of support, strong area of resistance. Big move, of course, from where it is presently. That's why I say it's looking down the road. In technical analysis, you just look for those support levels to hold. You look for key things like moving above the 50-day moving average, come back down, you want to see it hold that 50-day, and then you just define potential areas of resistance in the future. And that's what I see in the QTWW chart at this point. So as long as this support level holds, it's a good chart to keep on radar, and we'll see where it goes from here. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the QTWW chart. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.